Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best window fan with reversible airflow, the Comfort Zone 9-inch twin window fan. This fan offers impressive versatility and performance, making it a great choice for cooling and ventilating your home. Right off the bat, the Comfort Zone window fan features a twin fan design, which means two powerful 9-inch blades working together to circulate air more effectively than a single fan. Whether you want to bring fresh, cool air into your room or exhaust hot, stale air out, this fan has you covered with its manual reversible airflow function. This dual capability is perfect for maintaining a comfortable atmosphere no matter the season. Controlling the fan is simple and convenient. It comes with a 3-speed dial control, allowing you to choose between low, high, and a special quiet speed setting. The quiet speed mode is particularly useful when you need a whisper-quiet operation, like during sleep or when working from home. Despite its quiet operation, the fan remains powerful enough to efficiently cool your space. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the auto-locking accordion expanders on either side of the fan. These expanders adjust to fit window widths from 22¼ inches up to 33 inches, ensuring a secure and snug fit. This means you can easily install the fan in a variety of standard window sizes without needing extra tools or complicated setup. Another thoughtful feature is the removable fabric and bug screen covers. These covers keep insects and debris out while the fan is running and act as a barrier when the fan is not in use, preventing unwanted air from entering your home. Plus, the covers are easy to remove for cleaning, helping maintain the fan's performance over time. Portability is also a strong point for this fan. It includes 2 sturdy feet, so you can place it on a desk, table, or any flat surface if you prefer to use it indoors away from the window. There's also a built-in carrying handle, making it easy to move the fan from room to room or from one window to another. The included 5-foot power cord adds flexibility to where you can position the fan. In terms of specifications, this fan runs on a standard 120-volt power source with a wattage of about 46 watts. It moves air at a rate of 272 cubic feet per minute, which is quite efficient for a compact window fan. The fan blades are made of durable plastic and spin at around 2,884 RPM, delivering a steady airflow to keep your room comfortable. This model measures just under 5 inches in depth, about 22 inches wide, and almost 11 inches tall, making it compact enough to fit most window frames without being bulky. It weighs around 4.6 pounds, balancing portability and sturdiness. Whether you want to cool a bedroom, living room, home office, or even a kid's room, this fan is designed to meet your needs with its modern style and versatile use. Its lightweight and expandable design make it a practical addition to your home cooling arsenal. Overall, the Comfort Zone 9-inch twin window fan combines powerful airflow, quiet operation, reversible functionality, and easy installation. If you're looking for an effective window fan that adapts to different seasons and spaces, this fan is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.